Hello you guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Karina. I hope you guys subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today is May 30th. Wow. Actually, you know what? 2019 is like just running by too fast, and it's like, can we slow down? Seriously. Anyway, so as you can see by today's title, today is my monthly favorites. I feel like these are some of my favorite videos to film. I'm not gonna lie, they're very easy to film. Very chill, very relaxed, very laid back. We just sit here, talk about makeup. I mean, who doesn't love talking about makeup? So yeah, I'm going to share with you guys all the products that I was totally loving, living, breathing, dying for in the month of May. So if you guys want to see what those are, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first, I am going to get some things out of the way that are not very makeup related. I have mainly makeup, but I have not makeup as well. The first thing that I was loving in the month of May is this little spray bottle. Now, if you like to do your own hair, if you do other people's hair, if you're a hairdresser, you might have seen these. These are the ones that they sell at Sally's, and oh my god, these are life-changing. So this is like my natural curly hair, right? Usually the second or third day, it's like I have to get my hair nice and clean. Otherwise, it just looks horrible. The curls are lost. And I don't like to wash my hair that often because I do have naturally curly hair, which tends to be a little bit more on the dry side. Like it takes forever for my scalp to get oily. I have really dry hair, which is a good thing and a bad thing. So I wanted to invest into a really good spray bottle, as crazy as it sounds. I saw these forever ago and I just never picked it up. They're a little bit pricey for it being just like a spray bottle. I think these are like $8 or $10. But wow, I just love the way this mist. I'm going to try and show you guys the way that this has the mist to it. So it's just like a continuous mist. It really reminds me of like the Morphe setting spray. It's very similar in that, and I love it. It's like it just makes it so much easier for me to go in there, spray my hair. For example, right now I have a little bit of frizz, and I'll just like spray my hair, and it doesn't make my hair wet, and it doesn't like dampen it. I don't know. There's just something about this bottle that I just absolutely love. I also use it on my daughter's hair whenever I'm doing her hair. She also gets a lot of tangles because she has really, really long hair. And this has just been a lifesaver. I really, really like it. So yeah, if you guys are willing to invest into a good spray bottle, try these. And they also have cute little fun colors. Let's talk a little bit of skin, shall we? In last month's videos, I shared with you guys tons of skincare products that I was loving. And I still obviously love all those products. But I recently added a new mask onto my skincare routine. So this is by the brand Teami. And this is the Detox Mask Green Tea Blend. It contains matcha, lemongrass, and clay. I also posted a picture on my Instagram, and I am actually not like affiliated with them. This is not a sponsored video or anything. They just reached out to me. They asked me if I wanted to try a few things, and some of the products that they sell like a lot of teas to like help with bloating. If you guys know me, I don't do teas. I just don't like teas. So I was like, you know what? I'm not really into teas. And she's like, well, let me hook you up. Let me send you one of our detox masks. And girl, I am all for masks. I love them. So she sent me this one, and I've been trying out for close to a month, and I love this. Now, one of my favorite brands for masking is, what is that brand? Glam Glow. I love that brand. But every time that I use that mud clearing treatment mask, it always leaves my skin so like dehydrated because it's just pulling out all the gunk in my skin. But then my skin is just like, ugh, like dragging. So I switched to this one and I love it. I have seen such a difference in my pores right here. They just look a lot smaller. They don't look as like, not inflamed, but they just don't look as gunky as they were looking. And the cool thing about this one is that you can use it, I think, let me see, 1 to 4 times weekly or as needed. I try to use it every time that I'm wearing makeup because I don't wear makeup every single day. I probably wear makeup 3 or 4 times out of the week, if that. So I try to use this right after I remove my makeup. I'll go in, do my skincare routine, and then I'll apply this for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you just rinse it off. And again, I love that it doesn't dry out my skin. So if you guys are looking for a really good detox mask that has really good natural ingredients on it, try this. I know that they have also a face scrub. Haven't tried that one yet, but this mask is definitely worth your pretty penny. Okay, so moving on to a non-beauty related item. So if you guys are into like technology, not technology, but if you guys like let me back up. If you guys have a laptop and you either do a lot of work on your laptop, if you do editing, whether you're a beauty influencer or whatever it is, but you just use your laptop a lot, I use my laptop to do all of my editing, all of my videos, everything, all of my research that I do, just everything is like me and my laptop. We're like this. We are BFFs. So I do a lot of editing while I'm in bed, if I'm just like being a slouch in my couch and, you know, just relaxing. And for the longest time, I didn't have something to put my laptop on. So I was always like on my bed, like toda hunched over, you know, trying to type, trying to edit. And my back was just killing me. So I was like, you know what? I've had enough. So I decided to invest into like, I don't know what this is called, but it is like a laptop holder. Obviously, I had to get it white because we love whites. And this is what it looks like. So you just put on your laptop on here and it has these little legs. You literally just screw them off, or if I can do it. You pull them up and then you just prop it on to whatever it is, your bed. And oh my God, this makes such a huge difference. I bought this on Amazon for about $50, which I was like, $50, but no, actually it was like $40. Still a little bit pricey, but honestly, it is so worth it. I get so much use out of it. I can take it upstairs, I can have it downstairs, and it just makes easier. It just makes it so much easier for you to be on your laptop for a lot longer. Jumping back into makeup, so I got a PR package from C-Color Cosmetics. C-Color Cosmetics, I've spoken about this brand before. It is a brand that is in LA, I believe, and it's like born in the US and all that stuff. Now they create tons of eyeshadow palettes that can be considered dupe. They don't say that on their website, but if you see the palettes, you're like, that looks like a dupe. So they recently came out with their new cherry eyeshadow palette. This is a 12 color eyeshadow palette, again by C-Color Cosmetics. The packaging is super cute. When I first got it, I was like, what does this remind you of? And this is literally a dupe for the Urban Decay. I don't remember the name of the palette, but if you guys see this, you guys know what I'm talking about. Wow, this color. Okay, first of all, it smells like cherry, and honestly, I'm not a big fan of the scent. It just reminds me of medicine. And I don't know if the Urban Decay also smells like this, but I don't know. There's something about like that cherry scent that I just don't like. Like I don't like it in candles. I don't like it in lotions. I don't like it in body sprays. It's just, it smells like medicine. So not a big fan of the scent at all. But the color payoff on this is amazing. I'm going to show you guys a few swatches. We're going to swatch mainly the like metallic ones. So that is one color. Yeah, that is super pigmented. I have played around with this eyeshadow before, or eyeshadow palette, and I was so amazed. Here's another swatch. Yeah. And then I'm going to swatch this really pretty like golden and beige. This is actually my favorite one. And it has a little bit of like, well, it's actually more of a rose gold. And then I'm going to swatch this like super pretty baby pink peachy color. That one. Yeah, you guys, this palette is no joke. This peach color right here, I love. I will try to find a picture and post it here that I posted on my Instagram. And you guys absolutely love that look. I was surprised. Like, I always feel that the looks that I'm not so proud of are the ones that always end up doing the best. crazy. But yeah, I love this eyeshadow palette. If you guys have been looking for a dupe for the Urban Decay, or if you just want to save some coins because these palettes are crazy affordable, I highly recommend this one. You will not regret it. Really quickly, I wanted to give this little guy a shout out. This is by the brand Acne Free. This is the Severe Acne Spot Treatment Terminator 10. It has 10% benzoyl peroxide for acne treatments. Now, I don't suffer from a lot of acne. Thank God. I feel like my mom has really good genes, and I have really good genes when it comes to not having acne. And so I've been getting pure packages from Acne Treatment or Acne Free, and I save them because there are times where my skin will just break out. And the reason why it breaks out is because it is extremely sensitive to new brands. So I try to stick with a skincare routine that I know my skin loves. And a few weeks ago, I tried this lotion that my sister had because I was over at her house. We were getting ready for my cousin's little quinceañera, and I forgot my moisturizer. So my sister is not one to be like all about skincare routine and like makeup like me. So she just let me borrow this lotion that she had. Girl, the next day, like my skin had pimples all over it. I was like, oh my God, what did I do? So I knew that this was going to take it away immediately. I had a big one right here. I just put that on not last night, but I put it on that night. The next day, it was like gone. I mean, the pimple was still there, but it was like flat and it was pretty much gone. I also had another one right here. I just added a little bit of this treatment on it. Pimple gone. So highly recommend this if you guys have some acne problems here and there, or if you have a lot of acne. Also try their face wash. Their face wash is really, really good. So yeah, I just love this. If you guys saw my review from Wednesday where I reviewed the brand new Juvia's Place foundation, girl, I cannot get enough of that foundation. It's the one that I'm wearing. Excuse me. It's the one that I'm wearing on my skin today. I just love the way my skin looks. It just looks so flawless. Like, it looks like an airbrushed finish. The concealer, ni se diga. It is so bomb. But before I was using that foundation, and obviously I didn't want to mention it in this video because I've only been trying it for a week, even though I love it. I will probably just mention it in my next favorites because, you know, we got to give it a fair chance. So before that, I have been using the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This foundation. This foundation has such a beautiful finish. If you guys are the type of person that enjoys a more natural finish with medium to full coverage, get this. I love the way this wears. I don't even know how to describe it. I prefer to use my foundations with brushes now. I just feel like my skin looks a lot more airbrushed. This foundation is so good, you guys. Oh, it is just one of those foundations that she's a keeper, you know? Like, she is just good to stick around and she works. I like the way it looks. It's very light on the skin. It's not heavy feeling. It doesn't cake up on the skin. It's extremely long wearing. And I would say it's medium coverage. You can definitely make it full if you go back and like do a little bit of spotting here and there. But this foundation is amazing. Now, I know that I just said that I usually like to apply my foundations with brushes, but for concealer, I always like to just blend everything out with a sponge, or if I bake, I like to bake with a sponge. So I know that tons of you had mentioned this foundation before or this sponge before, and I know that it's like hella dirty. I just did my makeup and I was too lazy to go wash it, okay? This is the e.l.f. sponge, and honestly, I have no idea what it's called, but it's this one right here. I have tried other beauty sponges from e.l.f. and absolutely hated them. They're like so hard. It feels like you're punching yourself in the face. This one, I love this one. Do you guys see how like squishy it is? Literally, you can squish it as much as you can. It is so bouncy. You can see that it has like little air pockets or like little tiny holes all over, and that's what makes it such like an air light, airy type of texture. Very comparable to the Beauty Blender. I absolutely love how huge it gets, and then if you guys see, it has this flat side which makes it so easy to like bake on your cheekbones, to bake your forehead, bake your chin, and then just really to just bake all over. Ooh, This foundation is bomb and it's a drugstore. I also wanted to give these a quick mention. These are the LA Girl brow pomades. I have 2 shades. I have soft black and I have dark brown. Oh my god, I had never tried any LA Girl pomade products before. Now, this is nothing new, but I just wanted to throw this in here. I've been using this Shady Slim Brow Pencil for probably a good year now, maybe a little bit longer. But I love this. The shade that I like to use is Blackest Brown or Black. If you guys haven't tried this pomade, it is a bomb diggity, super long wearing, super creamy. I love the formula. I love the way that it glides on. I love the way that it wears. So yeah, amazing products, and this one goes hand in hand. I only have 2 more products to share with you guys, and that is it. If you guys saw my ColourPop haul where I did what you can buy for $100 at ColourPop, I mentioned that I wanted to pick up the Super Shock Cheek Lunch Money highlight, and this is it. I've been wearing this non-stop. I have this as my nose highlight. I have this as my inner corner highlight. I love this. I actually been using this for like all over my skin, just applying it when I'm not wearing makeup. It looks so pretty. I just love the formula on this because it feels very wet and it looks very wet on the skin. It's not the one that I'm wearing right now, but actually let's apply a little bit. So if you just go to the very top, ooh, do you guys see how that just intensified my highlighter by a million? Okay, so the very last product that I wanted to mention is a perfume. I am not a huge like perfume collector, but I do always love smelling good. So I have like a few perfumes, and I have a bunch of body sprays because body sprays are just easier to like reapply, throw them in your purse, throw them in your car. That's the case for me at least. I have one like literally everywhere, downstairs in my makeup room, upstairs in my bathroom, upstairs in my living, or not my living room, in my bedroom. I have one in my purse. I have one in my car. I just like to always be smelling good. So I recently bought this Victoria's Secret Bombshell Paradise little perfume. Oh my god, if you guys have smelled this, this smells like you are in the Bahamas with a beautiful tan on your skin, glowy skin, a cute little head, eating some cocktail, drinking a piña colada. That is where this this perfume literally takes me. Oh, it smells so good. You guys, that is everything. These were all the products that I was totally drooling over in the month of May. Did you guys see anything that caught your eye? If so, let me know. And as always, share with me what products you're loving in the... Oh my god, I am so hungry that my brain cannot function anymore. So I'm going to take my sweet ass to go eat, okay? Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, let me know what products you were loving in the month of May. I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye!